crushed reds, paprika, Cajun Creole, which is Tony's, a cup of breadcrumbs, 1 egg, parsley, 1 yellow onion, 1 red bell pepper. So we're gonna get chopping on these vegetables, and we're gonna get everything ready and get prepped. Let's go. All right, let's get started. We're gonna add our salt, pepper, garlic, crushed reds, paprika, our favorite Cajun Creole, the Tony's, and dropping our breadcrumbs. We're gonna get mixing. Also, before I forget, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of minced. Go ahead and crack our egg. So now we back. We're gonna add our olive oil type dish. So it's gonna stick. And let's get this meat put in. Alright, so the meatloaf started. There we go. Let's go in the oven. Alright, there you have the meatloaf. We're gonna put it into it, get us a sample, and that's gonna be it. So let's plate up. Alright, here we go, y'all. Meatloaf. Let's give it a shot. Got a small fork. Let's see. That's the truth. Juicy, highly seasoned, yeah, juicy now. That's good. We're done. This last video of this kitchen. I enjoyed y'all. I'll see y'all in the next kitchen in about first of the year. Peace.